Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you some easy steps on how to do photo manipulation in Canva. It's quite simple to do, so let's get going. So first, go to Canva. As you can see, I searched for Statue of Liberty photos here. Let me just drag one to the canvas. Then right-click on it and set it as background. After that, click on Edit Image. Then click BG Remover. Once the background is removed, download the photo first. Tick Transparent Background. And then download. After that, let's delete this one and upload the photo that we downloaded earlier. Then let's drag it again here. Adjust the size so it fits the canvas. Now let's search for another image. Let's search for a dinosaur. Let's choose one and drag it here. Adjust the size. Then right-click on the dinosaur. Click on Layer. Then Send to Back. Now let's search for a photo of sky. Let's choose this one. Then resize it like this. After that, right-click on it. Click on Layer. Then click on Send to Back. We can adjust it more here if we want. Then I'll just right-click here. Click Layers. Click Show Layers. Then let's select the dinosaur layer. And let's just adjust the transparency a little. Now let's have the sky layer. Click on Edit Image. We can change the filter here. Or we can also click on Adjust option and set the temperature and tint to the color that will fit the whole image. Then you can just do the same thing with other photo layers. Next, let's add some more elements here. Let's search for bats. Then let's put it here. Click on Edit Image. Then click on BG Remover to remove the background. Adjust it a little like this. We can also duplicate this and put the copy to the other side. Let me just add another small dinosaur here. And just like what I did to other photo layers here, let's just adjust the color and size of this new element so it will look good with all other images here. And that wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.